All right, this is beating the shit out of a peckerwood Hawaiian breeze, whatever the hell it is. Oh.
I'm coming out of retirement, folks.
Oh my God.
It's shaking and nervous.
Yeah, because it lost one of its peckers. Holy shit. It's still going.
2 blades now.
It's still going. Well, now it's a floppy cock. Sounds like it's fapping. Fap, 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 fap.
I don't think I can crush this one with my foot. A little bit better built than the last guy.
I could probably squash on my foot.
Now it's compact and you can fold it under your bed. I don't think it works anymore. I think it's fucked up too bad, you know.
Oh, poor little box fan.
Well, it's still at the turn. Snap some blades off.
Is it still running?
I think so. All the frames bent back in their shape. Oh, wait a second.
Ah, there it goes. It's trying. It's trying. It's still got some libido. The pecker still has some life. Oh my God.
There you go.
I'm so glad I came here today.
She's alive.
No more she isn't.
Come on, you. You good?
It just won't die.
Can we hook it up 240?
Let's do it.
That back out.
Let's do it. Oh, there it goes.